Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you all how to draw this beautiful waterfall diagram using painting colors. First of all, use surgical tape to apply on the four sides to cover it. So we have already covered the four sides. Now just put some water in it, in the paper to make it wet. And then for the sky, first of all to color it with white color. Here I am using camel watercolors. Paint the area with white color properly. I am using flat brush number 10 to cover the area. Now for the sky effect, put blue color, Prussian blue color, and blend it with your brown brush to give a soothing dark and light effect. This will show a great effect of sky on your drawing. In order to get a yellowish effect, that is a sunrise sunset effect, put some lemon yellow color and then dark yellow color, and then blend it with your round brush to bring out a beautiful effect of the sunset. This is the upper level, shows that this is for the sky. Now to show you the waterfalls, put the Prussian blue color and blend it downwards using your flat brush so that you can show the waterfall effect here. Now to give the rocks, draw the black color to give a shade so that you can show the dark black color on both the sides, left and right of it. Color it properly, blend it downwards with your flat brush and do strokes one side so that it has a nice finishing effect. After completing your color, let it dry for a few minutes. Since I am using watercolor, it will dry very quickly and it is very easy to use. Now, blend the dark Prussian blue color and white color to get a sky blue color with a whitish tinge. This we are using it to show the waterfall effect. Use your round brush and the flat brush together to bring out the waterfall effect in it, and just follow the step how I am creating the waterfall effect. Blend it very slowly from the topwards way so that it is easy to give an effect of waterfall. At first you may face some problem to do it, but with practicing it will become perfect day by day. Now use your dark green color draw the grasses and then give a effect. I don't have a flat brush, so I am using the flat brush. Just use it in this way to give a seizing effect of your trees and plants. This will show the mosses and ferns which is in the black color of the tip. Do it in a one direction so that it shows that the lips are in one direction. Do it on both the sides to show the same effect on it. Use white color to give a white tingish effect on the waterfalls to give the final effect of waterfalls. Follow the step how to give the white color effect. Use the flat brush to give the white color effect so that it actually looks like waterfalls. Some blend brushes split on it to show the water splashing out when it's falling. This will give an effect of water splashing out when it's falling down. Now use the brown color to draw the rocks. Use the rocks on that places where you have put the splashed water splashing out actually, so that it will give the effects that when striking the stones or the rocks, the water is splashing out. Now use a yellow ochre color to give a shade on the stones or on the rocks. This will give a dark and light effect on the stones, and it will show the effect of reflection on the stones. Use the white color to give a lightish effect and zero number or 2 number brush to give a lightish effect on the stone or the rocks. This stones will thus this will give a very light reflection category, and use triangles. Draw triangles to show the curvatures of the rocks using your white color brush. As you can see, the waterfall and the rocks are ready to be shown. Now use yellow color to give a tincture of yellow ferns, and take your flat brush and spread it like as shown before. This will give a yellow fern and green fern effect, and it will help you to build the colors combination very nicely. Well, now I will be starting to draw the tree. Use your round brush and dark brown color to draw your tree. The tree trunk, as per your requirement, I am drawing my tree trunk. I am here drawing 2 trees, and just use your round brush to show the trunk and its branches. Draw the trees on both the sides to complete your tree trunk using brown color effect. Here I am using the orange color to give a flowering effect using my flat brush. Dip it in orange color and put it on the flower top layer to give an orange color effect on the flowers and trees. Autumn season's trees, here I am using orange color to give an effect of it. Like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Now I am using an yellow color to give a tinge of yellow effect with the orange leaves. On the left trees I am using the red color to show the effect of red flowers. Simply dip it with your flat brush and the same way draw the flower leaves in this same way. Cover it on all over the tree trunks so that it seems to be full. Now use the skin color or the light white color to give an effect with the red color. Use the flat brush to give this effect again. It will show a soothing effect and lighting effect of your flowers. As you can see, a blending color combination can be seen as we put a strokes of white color on the top of it. Now form the branches with the brown color again so that it can be shown through it. Just draw the branches once again on both the sides to give a firm effect of it. Use yellow ochre color once again with your round brush to give an effect on the trunks of the tree. This will give a reflection and a shallow light and dark effect on your tree trunk. Your diagram is complete, and just open the surgical tapes which we have put around the both four sides so that it will give an border and the extra colors which are filled out will come out. So finally the picture is complete. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.